They got another one on. Ain't came up yet? You think so? Oh, it's a cat. It's a big old cat though. No, that's a bass, bro. Oh my God. Drake, get that fish, man. Get that fish, bro. Get him.
Dog!
What?
Dog! Bro!
Bro. Hey, I got it on camera, bro.
Dude!
Man, that's a good fish, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna jump in the water to get him. Bro, that's a nice fish, bro. This dude. Hey, bro, can you leave a couple fish for me, man? Come on, man. No, it ain't, bro. That's a big bass. And she done went all the way over there. Bro, that's a big fish. Get him, get him, get him. Drizzy Dre! Once again.
On the last cast.
Bro said I was getting ready to go home on this cast, bro. You kidding me? That joke is long, but once again, he's skinny. Turn around so I can see the side. Yeah, he's skinny, yeah. But see how long he is? He's just, oh man, yeah, he real skinny. I'm gonna call him 4'3", 4'4", because he's skinny. But he's long, boy. That's a good fish, bro. He swallowed that thing too, didn't he? I see it down there in his,
Man.
yeah, he swallowed that thing. Well, like,
All parks still got some big ones.
yeah.
There we go. Look at that.
Snagging masters. Appreciate you, man.
Yep.
Sir.
That's nice.